Hello friends, you are most welcome in this channel. We were doing the cleanness and hygiene chapter and we have completed cleanness in the surroundings, and that was our part 3. Okay, we were doing this chapter cleanness and hygiene, chapter number 12, cleanness and hygiene. Okay, so we have done this page until here. We have done the part 1, and from here to here we have done the part 2, and this page and this full page and this full page we have done till part 3, and now from here our part 4 will be taking place. So this much is the big chapter, and if you have not watched the previous video of cleanness and hygiene part 3, so please watch the part 3 cleanness and hygiene. Go to my channel, you will find it. Okay, or you just search on the YouTube search box that @Shweta Kumari 346 twinkling stars, and then when you will click search it, then you will get one link. So you just have to click over there, and when you will click, you will be able to find my part 3, part 2, part 1, whichever one you have not seen, then please see that. You will only be able to learn this part 4 if you have seen the part 3 video. Okay, let's start the chapter. Okay, communicable diseases. When we do not keep our body clean and live in unclean surroundings, we are attacked by many diseases. The diseases which spread from one person to another is called communicable diseases. Okay, so last time we have studied that keeping the surrounding clean is called community hygiene. That is the main thing, and keeping our own body is called personal cleanliness or personal hygiene. And so that only it is written here. If we do not keep our body, means if we do not keep our body clean and live in unclean surrounding, then we are attacked by many diseases, and the diseases which spread from one person to another person, that is known as communicable diseases. Unclean water, uncovered and stale food, and dirty places are homes to many germs. These germs spread many diseases. So the unclean water means the water that you are just taking out from the river, that is the fresh water. But maybe someone has bath over there in the Ganga Ji, Yamuna, or whatever. From there you are taking out the water, but someone has bath over there maybe, and so that is why you are taking out the water from that may be having many germs. Okay, so that is why you should not keep your water unclean. Your uncovered and stale food means the food that is uncovered, that you have not put in its cap, and stale food means the basi khana means that morning's food you are eating it at the night, that should not be happen. And dirty places, okay, at the dirty places you should not eat, that I have already told in part 2. Are homes to many germs, okay, means they are the homes of many germs, means unclean water is having germs, so that is its home only. Uncovered and stale food is having germs, that is also its home. Dirty places are also having germs, so that is its home. Let us perform an activity to show that germs spoil uncovered and stale food. Okay, so take a bread slice, sprinkle some water on it. Okay, you have to take a bread slice and you have to sprinkle some water on it. Keep it in a dark and warm corner of the room. The room should be dark, means light should not be on, and you have to keep it in the corner of your room, not in the middle. You have to keep it in the corner. After 2 days, okay, so means after 2 days means when you have kept, so count 2 days after that like I have put today. So today is 19, so 20, 21. So at 21 I will see that you have to observe it with the help of a hand lens, means that microscope hand lens. It doesn't come that what how I can say to you, that one circle is there and one stick is there. If you see from it, then the things will be smaller. So when you will see with the help of the uh, hand lens, then you will observe these things. Okay, we find we find that a greenish and spongy material grows on the moist bread. Okay, so when you will saw, then the green thing will be there, that is the germ only. And spongy material grow on this moisture, means that see the bread was first very means flat, then it will be little bit spongy over it. Okay, and if you will eat that, you will cause by many diseases. That is why it is said that you should not waste food, because you just think that people who are poor, they take out the food from the dustbin and they eat, and they are not knowing that this food, whichever food is there, that food is kept in the dustbin, and the dustbin is having germs, and that food may be of 10 days, 3 days, so that should not be happen. So in it is the kind of fungus. Okay, this is called a fungus or germ also, we can say, called bread mold. Okay, sorry so much. It makes the food unfit to eat. If you will eat it, then you will be unfit, you will not be that not be fit. Okay, then you must be thinking that we are having bread in the packets, and we are eating it, but that so it maybe have formed 1 month later. So I can tell you what's the reason behind it. The reason is that it is written over here that sprinkle some water on it and keep it in the dark corner of it. It is not said that you have to cover it with a cloth, uh, you have to put it in a box type. It is not written. And that one bread, that fresh bread, come brown bread, white bread, that is packed, and no air can just dirty air can come over it. So that will be not having any germs in it. Mosquitoes and houseflies are found in dirty places. They carry germs of many diseases. Mosquitoes born in stagnant and dirty water of puddles, tanks, cooler, drains, etc. Okay, this is mosquito that we called as machhar in Hindi, and this is housefly that we called as makhi. So mosquitoes and houseflies are found in dirty places. Means mosquito will be maybe in the dustbin, not in the dustbin. It is born in the dirty places. Okay, it is here written over. Mosquitoes born in stagnant means puddles. That dirty water puddles are there. Tanks means that tank is there. Cooler means what we can say, from where you get the cool air. Drains. Okay, drains means that nali, etc. They are born. They carry germs of many diseases. Means they're having many diseases in it. Okay, house flies carry germs on their feet. Just now we were studying about mosquito. Now we are studying about house fly. Okay, so house fly is having they stick their germs, means they are not having the brain that I have to stick it. The germs only comes over there, not that they fly and come. When they sit over something, then that germ is stick on it. Okay, they sit on uh, filthy garbage to get food. Okay, means filthy garbage means what we can say, that very old garbage or very dirty type of garbage to get their food. The germs stick on their feet from the garbage that I said you just now. When the same house flies sit on a food or a clothing, they pass the germs there. Okay, means that house flies, when that house fly who has sit on the dustbin, and if same house fly has sit on a food which we eat and the clothes that we wear, then that dustbin or something where this house fly has sit, that is having germs. So it has stick on their feet, so that feet only when they touch on something, so that when they touch that place will be clean and that germs will be entered there. Okay, so some communicable diseases are as follows. So communicable diseases we have just read, that the disease will spread from one person to another. The germs of tuberculosis, that is also known as TB, and pneumonia are found in the dirty air. Dengue, malaria, and chikungunya occur at dirty places and are spread by mosquito bite. The symptoms of these diseases are high fever, chilling, shivering, headache, and pain in muscles and joints. Okay, so the germs like tuberculosis germs, pneumonia, or dengue, malaria, chikungunya. Okay, so that occurs at dirty places and are spread by mosquito bite. Okay, means when mosquitoes sit over there, then that comes and that when they come and bite us, then that happens. The system of these means if they have if you are having that, then you will be having these diseases like high fever, like 102 till 102 fever only. Chilling means बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड लगना. Shivering means you are shivering with that much of cold. Headache, सिर में दर्द होना. And pain in muscles and joints means it will pain in your muscle and joint. So till here we will be doing our part 4. Let's complete it quickly. Chlorea, typhoid, jaundice, and diarrhea are caused due to unhygienic habits and having dirty food and water. The symptoms are vomiting, pain in abdomen, fever, headache, and body ache. So this happens. Chlorea, typhoid, chlorea, typhoid, jaundice, diarrhea, they are caused, means they happens when we are having unhygienic habits like waking up late in the morning, not going for a morning walk, eating junk food, or eating stale food and uncovered water that is dirty. So that these diseases are happen. Okay, the symptoms are vomiting, means you will be having vomit. You will be having pain in abdomen, means pain in your every type of abdomen, means it is called digestive system, means in stomach it will pain. Okay, fever, you will be having fever. It was written high fever, but here it is only fever. Headache and body ache. So headache will be also there, body ache, but we can say this one is more better than this one. But these both should not be happened. So till here we have done our part 4 and the video is increasing a lot. That is why I'm going to finish this video. Okay, and this much is full is left. So we will complete it and we will start our part 5 from here, and let's see, and we will see in that video only till where we will be able to complete. Please like this video if you like it, and then I'm saying if you not watch the other parts, then kindly watch that also. Bye bye.